My dad and I decided to make some true Italian bruschetta bread. Right, Dad? Dad, you're gonna get electrocuted. What are you doing? Okay, what is in the recipe?
Tomatoes, garlic,
Yes. Garlic,
salt,
salt,
olive oil,
and
what's the green stuff?
was it parsley? It was
Parsley.
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 Look at that. Now you're putting on the oil. Now this is true authentic Italian style because my father is from Italy.
Doesn't mean I know what the hell I'm doing.
And he's from a very small town called Rocco San Giovanni, right? Was that good? Was that good with the accent and everything?
That was perfect.
That was perfect. And it's near Pescara,
50 miles south of Pescara.
50 miles south of
So if you
Pescara.
ever heard of Pescara, then you know what 50 miles is. But if you didn't, well, then you don't know.
Now what are you putting on there?
A little bit of salt.
So you put olive oil on the bread. So you toasted the bread first. Then you put the olive oil on the bread. And then you put salt on the bread.
A little bit.
Little
Just
bit,
a
okay.
little. No fooling around.
And then,
It's your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
and then how much do you put on each one?
Well, as much as it'll hold.
Oh, just like that, okay. As much as it'll hold. So you load it up, basically. Check it out. Very nice. Ooh. Okay, there you go. True, authentic Italian style bruschetta. Okay, so what were you just saying? What is it called?
Bruschetta.
Not.
Bruschetta.
So when people say bruschetta.
Yeah, it's bullshit. When the moon seems to shine like you had too much wine, that's amore.
Did I make too much? He was yelling. He was like saying that I made too much.
Look, making too much is better than making not enough.
Well,
Because
that-
if you make not enough, then we can't cover the
The whole plate.
Exactly. So it's okay.
Here, I'll put this over here.
Okay, there you go. That's the bruschetta.
Here.
Authentic Italian
I didn't know roti went.
bruschetta.
This has to be open.
From my father, the one and only, who also makes his own prosciutto and his own Italian sausages.
I can't believe this.
That's for another story.